Our first article for today it's actually not an article. I've collected some friction that has been happening online regarding the Prime Minister's medical trip to New Zealand. So yesterday, the Samoa Observer published an article with the headline, Cabinet Reimbursed PM's Medical Treatment in 2025. And in that article, they outlined how Cabinet had approved reimbursement for the Prime Minister's overseas medical treatment. And that happened last year under the Overseas Treatment Scheme. The framing of the headline of this article suggests that public funds may have been used or were intended to be used for his personal medical expenses. To support this narrative, the article referenced Cabinet Directive records that indicated that reimbursement has been approved. And they also drew attention that decisions were made while the government was facing financial constraints and that the national budget had not even been passed yet. And this framing potentially suggested that the decisions may have been made under urgency or outside of formal government processes. In addition, they also speak about the Prime Minister's medical visit overseas being extended well beyond the initial time frame and raise concerns around transparency by pointing out that the Ministry of Finance had not responded to their requests for clarification. And then shortly after, the government of Samoa publicly responded in their statement, and they said that the Prime Minister's travel in September 2025 was due to a genuine medical emergency requiring urgent treatment overseas. It confirmed that all of the costs, flights, treatment, and accommodation were paid upfront by the Prime Minister and his family. They also confirmed that while Cabinet had approved reimbursement in principle, this was consistent with existing policy entitlements under the Overseas Treatment Scheme. And the Prime Minister stated, most importantly, that both in the government response and in a press conference, that he declined the reimbursement upon his return. As a result, no public funds were used. Shortly after this, a follow-up article, the Samoa Observer acknowledged the key elements of that was clarified, and however, after it acknowledged all of this, it continued to emphasize the unresolved questions with their inquiry to the Ministry of Finance, also the extended duration of the Prime Minister's stay, and the government's limited financial position at the time, and the timing of the budget approval.
So le jawa mana ola le problem le mele o fisili walanga o le u family no mai le pepo famtalanga ale cabinet Tatau le mai le la to release ola na family no ha mo le fionga le Palemia ila na fainga malanga mo mai sau no ai o mai ana tongi lo na ainga me ma ele ai so na manatu mo so no fina ngalo e toe Totogi ina tupeia ale la wa mai le fam talanga la se ole wo ina toi fa sa o matulanga ole ala so lo ngona le to
ole fa fika uri kele lava ole sa mo la observer ele mo mau se la ko va mal Palemia sa ka o confirm la ko le mele o kupu wa foring mai le fa o wa ngela ko adiko foring mai ko wa fa pe foring ko ile le anga ile il kapinga ka le fai lo ala mane fai lo kapinga ka disi mo ku so i ka ora io ke le io le o funga fa le Congo Observer mal la ko ari ko le mo fai ko ia ile le reimbursement le al Palemia ai fa mo fie ia nga bidi Palemia pe sa on me fo la le a sia ka ho le ko concern ai o inga me ile Observer
o jele fa longo le lei se fa tala no le fionga minister tupe ana rosa but o jele lo ya I just saw a comment yel tanga tana faila na comment anga ile article le no ba ya to ya fa pesa na fa metala o le sa no ia le sui Palemia station fa tala no which is o jele mo anto malanga talu onna malanga mai ia le Palemia le fionga Palemia pe o le fionga sui Palemia ya mulpola na rosa o yele sa take over ina tu la video press conference male media o tele loala ile na taimi pesa fea is saunoanga le fionga lelana le sui Palemia lelana o tele so na but I did see somebody or coming if or coming here is coming leanga on fire like coming ngai article lem fa pe mai ya leanga o le sa saunoa ia le sui Palemia ile vainga le which is o te lei lua ta ilo foi lali a taua mahana pena lua tau fa longo ma wa sa no nga fa pena pe ese foi le faingo sa nga ai langa o ka ko le milo le milo ino upu ma tu langa fa pena ya wa ma fuai a le la uto fa mani no wa po le ya ma kala ifia le uto a mai le fa mani no nga me official
o po le ku se sumana ya le kala le porque le makari fole foi e ko inga ia ku se inga me a sumanga ia ele se senior editor e que aula ia pele la ku ai le aula ki le ia me se a sa ka ku la mai se ka makua langa o le levo le ka ngoi o le levo ka pe ka mal Palemia ele foi lá fa fe ngai se ki le ki mo ko nga ku skala le e ka sa le editor le newspaper po se senior editor le because anga sa le ka makua e sa fa sang su nga le foi ale printing le mele
ia por me foi sa no la vale fionga sui Palemia fito i tono malanga le sa ngai le malanga mai le fionga le di Palemia ia a le ala var tulo le tulanga e ai ia tau na pawa le o le me le fai nei le tu ai nga pe pa fa pe na o le fai tala fau o tala sui o tala fatu tala e le vita ti va vai tunga wa o mai lunga ni se fai nusi pe pa ale to mana le tulanga fa pe wa matua pa uma wa lalo le tulanga o le sa o tonga o le tatu press freedom is Samoa ai e fasi usi umaka uma makusi le lima nga ile fionga de Palemia mar fai nga malo wa ia
ele se me malo foi me la kuskala ngo ki kirangel me nga le nga saule le mka punga lima me ki lo ka foi ratings le o kala fa por kiki o kala ku afongo o kala le economic o kala le social o kala security fa popo e climate change o la research e kala ngo ai kanga professional like lawyers me pena Samoa e fa bella ku survey ele o va nga Samoa o longo vinga a que kira foi o Observer Taramua TV1 male masabadi le peste nei wala ko nga veti se mo ko nga kuskala nga Taramua la mo ke lo inga funga nge nga Taramua ke lo inga sa la ko mere fa a le si va nga wa ko nga veti se mo ko nga kuskala e fa va nga le
yeah. Anna, Lasho Vinagalo.
No.
Your thoughts on that? The press freedom in Samoa. I saw your friend Renata wrote an article about it.
Oh yes, I'll get into that a bit later. But I'm on the same page as you both. Another case of misinformation. I can't wait for it to stop. A day someone can bring a stop to this.
So, Olanga ufamari no mai ele to tongia.
ele ko komi
langa obo kana sa no ye de fio Palemia al nei lava okay ya na umari no samo
ai lo se me langa ko ko
no
langa me kan fai ma ko fa ngaru ngabe Palemia ele mo ku fa ngo pa ke ki mo ku per Palemaro ala e ta do ele Palemia a ngolo ngala fa ngalo wo ko kongia le mo ko kongia ai pa o fairness e kan ko
mala dole ya dawa o i tau jalo me foi le me sa o me mana ya aka ko foi le me sa ko kongi
na o me sa
o me nga langa o tanto o tele ni tanto fai me mana na ya ai le sa o mangor sui fonga ngi o ke le yo au fai me manga ya le ya they do the nice but not the right the right thing o le ala le me sa o ya aka ko wo i le me sa o kusai ma fai fa vai ma tulanga o singa nga se fa pe a Palemia Samoa ma tang to inga tangata e ye fionga Palemia ka kaulanga kongir malo ai ona le se tu perena tem ono lai le pasia ma tulanga o talo tupi ai le ka fi ai le ora o kanga o le mela a uma ona fai e pe ya o ka ko le fa maro lo mai ngaluenga o ele anga e uma e apo le ale umi e ko fa fo ia ai ona o le loto la vai o le fionga le Palemia male mafua foi o le ngai loko le lei o ngore kero ko loko le ma de telo le tau fai ai a tu ur vesau fai ar me sau ko ngir kupi
se concern ka le ka o vale le ngo fa ngo pe va sulua fe ka la musila sa pa pe va suka afrika la Samoa le fa ko va suka afrika la musila o me arengo concern mele le mala va le ke be lu suka si milionga le nga wai ale se me nga wai va se lau va sulima malanga va le e mo lu fuka si milionga
le pala
yo Lufu se la mo kang fika e se lau baru lima i private jets
e mo
malaba le se me mo wa ale ka se mai ba le nga va su wa a ver pisa pele ka ke pisa ko se ro mo
ku so le fanga ngau mai si Palemia e se la una fanga nga le fana na mo nei so fonga kai pe ora ora la papa voi le fa mai fe au kwa e la ku polu sa va ai fa feta ile nga ol mali ia ua matua matila lava le vaai maualalo ma le tau mamaina o tofiga nei ma galuega nei ona o tusitusiga faapene tatou faagasolo hana la lesi tatou atu.
Our next article is by Pacific Media Network, written by Renate Rivers. Press freedom under pressure in Samoa as Prime Minister ramps up crackdown rhetoric. Another developing story centres on media access and press freedom during the recent visit of New Zealand Prime Minister Christopher Luxon to Samoa. In this article, the Samoa Observer reports that its journalists were denied entry to parts of the official program during the visit. The Journalists Association of Samoa responded by clarifying that decisions around accreditation and access rest with the Prime Minister's office, distancing itself from those decisions. However, JAWS confirmed it had raised concerns with officials ahead of the visit and said it would continue to advocate for fair, reasonable and non-discriminatory access for all bona fide media organisations. The article then broadens the issue, referencing a statement made in Parliament on the 12th of March, where the Prime Minister indicated the government is considering new rules to curb what it describes as disrespectful, defamatory remarks with being characterised as treasonous. Further comments came from the Samoa Observer's editorial board spokesperson, who said the denial of access during the Luxon visit raised broader concern about media freedom and could impact other newsrooms. The article also includes criticism from opposition leader Tula Epa, who during a live stream described the situation as laughable, and he said that the New Zealand media understood what is happening in Samoa with the ban on the Samoa Observer, and yet he continues to speak these lies. And finally, the article places the dispute within a wider historical context, saying that the Observer's long record of reporting across multiple administrations and framing the situation as part of an ongoing tension between government and media.
O tustusinga ia whapea. Man tuaile ta sise asa wale lanu o tangata ia lanu asa wai ke langu moanga o lau kuskusinga o mai langu moanga. Iyo asa ufo ia te lanu wa o le hale tūlanga. Sea e mauar tu inga vaenga lea o lau tamu whai e te tautala i le mesa. O te leilua fo ile i ataua mahana. Po le hale whainga tā o le li poki o le fact. What is so wrong and hard there? To report the real issue. Mana tua mai. O le ala pisa ma au mai ala ngai ko lo wa o te fatu lo ata tu tala no observer. E te le respect mo sa ve sano malifa. Ma le tau tua ma le ona. A le kau ke karangoa ku le neo. Le taimi le nei tu singa le ua maua ye le au ele au vai ngai o so na faia meta fuli sa no. Le wingo tala le o te tau faia tua le ato. Ua matua mai mau atoa pauale o le mea lea nauna ua e o whaile tustara le teina lea ta ua lan tusi lea batui nei. Ia, e pauale o kasi fo ile si makua nga o kuila e pawhia le whakalmo.
Ia, ua o le press secretary la kule preso ia.
A whalalina. O le foila e fiu lava e whaia tu se whatu le tala lea. Tu loua, ai ale fia e fo ise o tau tu loua e o kirele e o kei vai. Le atawolo na fai o Nielsen o Peterson a fakasi o hana fo ilo na pito a fatasi o anai fo ia fakasi o kalo filipingo ala vatu la utala le te loto o to fo ia to te tusitala fa peni le ai ko ke ola ngai ko hu fa fo ngai sia ko ui sa mo ai ngamu ko vai ma to le mana malama tele ile va faire lo ai male to singo le nganu ko ya lu mo ya lu learn le culture ma me fa pena na sa wila e to tusitala fa le because ai alu ke kusia sa mo e amaka mai i onga fa vai papa o onga sokanga o mea uma lava ia e te ilo haile va faire lo nenga nano fa ya tu tala le e towa o fiu fa manino il au kodia le ma fau por kuskala mala mere ngaru fai mo ko Palemia ai o mai apa war mele manga wai freedom of press freedom man ele mala mala se re na taile mala ngi au ele mala bo fo ele mala e ora fia balance Moni ala tala le o ko o ele so ku of kasi ai kulu I have all the respect ila of tas mat to tele ha ila to te mar malama ru binga lo kana le fai ko ai alu fo ile e pie ke aru nga o waru e ke criticize Samoa ma e la o la pisi Samoa ai ke le fiola fa Samoa ko ke le se vanga nga le ko ke le ni they used the word Pacifica, they used the name of Samoa, they used the name of Pacifica to gain profits, and yet they don't leave. They don't live as a real Pacifica and a real Samoa. There's a lot of those here in New Zealand. So Okolanga, you guys have a problem. PM doesn't have a problem. It's you. Okolanga, you have a problem. Langa foi mo ko vai wale o Palemia se kanga kasimaki le pe ko ke fia wai ko ke fia simaki fo. That's why ya lenga nga ko au mai fa mai ya. Bo ki ngai ya freedom, press freedom, nga mea mga mau ngasu.
Iya. Mai lo ke lo le nga pen ya el observer.
Yo.
Leila se me o kala nga me lo observer kala ngol Palemia. Ai lo fa ko ku Palemia.
Lenga. A wo fia ngi kai minga ku ku o ko ku le. O le fesiri la. Ai fa fe le me le abuse o ko uia. O ko ia media ye ko ga kuma ma ye tala me to inga tala vo ile ko al para vole ko inga ya auto il fa vale auto visite la ngole so ko nga nga fa ir kala nga ko lai that's a stupid question. Yes. Ola na le ta ungo na to inga me o to fa fonga e ai fa tala no o fe ko ngule ko ke ko lo inga ile lenga o le piusinga o ko o fa fia fo ina se observer. How many times do you've done wrong and apologize? You know, you've done wrong so many times, probably more than 7.
At least 7 recently,
Yeah, recently.
You apologized.
Kilo me saying afraid of chef.
A faila e drop ilalo le kako press freedom.
Ola ko?
Fa fiku ko se. Fa fiku. Recently fa fiku ko make me se ma fa sa mai o ko ele malo fa sa mai o ko ele malo fa sa o ko is kanga aka mai
o kanga pese ve kaka ko ke mo fa kasi samo
volelna
o kaka rango fu samo le pese ve le abele sa li pokile ko ngumele
ya vai da tato le fa to afia fa ko afa masinga lima masinga fa fiku no wrong le observer nei tau sanga lua veru suma le no
kasi masinga kasi ya ele kauli ele fa ko le ari ko la so kasi asi se mo
ngana le na ta fayat o pe fo I analysis alia ta mai tai tulu e nei ya o I fo ya auto le PMN ala to fo ile nga lu ya la ngai fo ina inisi fa wo mana ila to fo I ta to te ai le afia matangi ma ai pe na ta fayat fai mato o mala malama I tatou batunu o le mea langa oki ai ira ko o kuskala o le me tau o le fai longa na le e tau o le mafaufa Hana o le code of ethics ma mea uma la vai fa tustala o le tasial mena le na fai o le o tau na le nga mafua mai longa uma lo ma le ro for Palemia ma fa sama o to yana fa tala noanga ma me fa yer malo o le mena ta o le ma fa e ave ese lo me ka o le ma fa mo ko e ana tō vai la ia toi solonga lei mea
I also just wanted to add that the organization Renate Rivers works for is a publicly funded organization that receives $6 to $8 million a year. So now anyone who's living in New Zealand, our tax money is being used to fund bias reporting pro HRPP or pro Tulepa. And she has proven it. The last time I took a complaint to this organization, they weren't even part of the New Zealand's Media Council. So now they're receiving $6 to $8 million plus writing bias articles and are not accountable to anybody in New Zealand. So they can write any story that they want, publish it, and that's okay, using all of our money. So it's quite disappointing that PMN have hired her, and this is the things that we need to watch out for. But my biggest concern is for the people who are not Samoan, the people who don't watch the show, who see these articles and they believe it. But I'm glad we're aware, and yeah.
Kusal me tonua lele la whaonga mai ele HRPP ia vaenga ia. E whaleanga ka kou le tais, whaleanga ka tui palangi.
Yes.
They're using. Ale mea pito lea ngai renata ma utou ia ma PMN. Oka ngi ngā milionga kou ki ka alwai. Oka ngi ngā milionga kou ki ka alwai. Government is giving you millions in fundings. To what?
To lie. Their editors are liars. They lied to me. They said they're a part of the Media Council, and they lied. And they won't go and fix the story. The last time they wrote a story, and it was so biased, they inserted Fia Me's take in there. They refused to remove it off RNZ. RNZ is the other biggest media organization here in New Zealand. They have a partnership, PMN and RNZ. PMN refused to right their wrong with RNZ and say, hey, we stuffed up. Only recently, until I posted it, was RNZ notified, and they took down that line.
Wow.
So they lie on public money as well.
Ele ase me umi fa beni e expose le fo ima fa ilo atu le fo wai lo I le vainga ya tato fo ile ise il temi tau te tu ava noi fo le temi ile ise ava no e tu ina e vainga fa pe ono tato temi Hannah, what else have you
last article? Okay, this is our last article. It's by the Samoa News Hub. So not only did Renate Rivers write a potentially biased article on Pacific Media Network, she goes to the Samoa News Hub and she writes another article, but this is an opinion piece, and it is titled "When the Press is Muddled, Samoa Pays the Price." This article argues that press freedom in Samoa has declined. It uses the latest Reporters Without Borders Index to highlight that Samoa has dropped 15 places from 44 to 59th, with declines across legal, political, and security indicators. The author's core message is that when press freedom weakens, the public loses access to truth. She places responsibility partly on recent government actions, but particularly under Prime Minister Laurealemalia Tualewa Schmidt, pointing to specific incidents such as the ban on the Samoa Observer, the use of strong rhetoric like treason in Parliament, proposed protocols around controlling media questioning, and restricted access during high-level visits. She argues that while earlier governments contributed to instability, it has worsened most sharply under the current leadership. They also criticize media institutions themselves, and she criticizes Jaws for failing to push back effectively and highlights the absence of a functioning independent media council. It argues that this has created a divided media environment where some outlets are treated as acceptable while others are excluded, leading to what she describes as a managed media environment. And I just wanted to add as well that she previously wrote on Facebook in her post that if anyone disagrees with her article, that you can take it to the Media Council. And when I did, they weren't a part of it. So makes no sense. So she went on PMN to write that factual piece, and then she came to Samoa News Hub to share her biased opinion.
But the funniest part here is just to sing a tinelea. Lead uma nga come fire stuck up for the Observer.
Yeah.
It's all and currently she's not working for Observer. I want to make it just or come find I kau sefe mai ya Kano fai
There were also no explanations of the 7 wrongs of Samoa Observer, you know? There was no balance to provide why the Samoa Observer has been, yeah.
It's all because against ile sunga il Palemia. Ya, o to inga dusi tala ya fa pe e tulo. O la me la ina tato to fai popole. Tasia le nusi pepa. O le nusi pepa le o fai ma fa so esa. La fo ia ia ma fo anga e pule fo ia Palemia. Pe ia fo yo isia ku ba ya Donald Trump. No, City. No, you, I don't like you, you're telling lies, CNN, I want you to ask the question. Why? Wa uma, luwing or famatalang. Se ola ya, ele fa pe ambe o se media man, o po le an tulang. Ai ka lo fa ile tentiti. O le tamaitai, o le tau mafaya ka mafai. E tau tustusi. Ele lo po la secretary atu la e paltemini. E mo tino a o secretary le fe ngai ma le media le HRPP.
Voice le HRPP fa.
Wa mai anta to taimi. Any final words Hannah?
No. Thank you. Thank you for watching Media Watch. Thank you for coming back to watch the show.
Yeah, Manaya. Well, we need to get more and find out more about this operations, the millions dollar funding that goes to other media here. We need to find out more about that. Yeah.
Actually, can I have one more request? If you follow Pacific Media Network, can you go and comment on those articles and say it's misinformation? If any of you, that would really help push them to be accountable to what they're sharing. That's my one request.
Manaya. Tawa.
No.
Yeah.
Será posible que con Carmen ya para Hannah.
Yeah, 50 ya.